This is Armand behaves at school and I get ungrounded. This is made by Armand Jamali. Armand, wake up. Okay, Mom, I am done eating my cereal. Okay, Armand, time for school. At school? Okay, class, we will do math. John, what is 6 minus 8? -2? Correct. Armand, what is 9 times 9? 81. Correct. Eric, what's 3 plus 123? 126. Correct. At dismissal. Okay, class, the bell rang. Time to go home. Here are your report cards. I put the grades inside. Do not open your report cards until you get home. Detention for 3 hours. Yes, it is. Okay. Okay, says 3 of them. Okay.
No, you were so brave. You took this off?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Sorry, that was my mom talking. Armand, how's your day? Good. Let's check your report card. If it has an A, B, or C, you are ungrounded. Wow, you got all A's. Guess what that means? You are ungrounded. That means we will go to Chuck E. Cheese's. Yay. That is it for now.